Assalamualaikum dear students. How are you? I hope you all are fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. I am also fine by the grace of Almighty. Welcome to NIPS Home School. Here I am Kamrun assistant teacher of English, National Ideal English Version School, Day Shift. My dear students of class 1, today I am going to take your English language class. And our today's topic is Lesson 16, Part 2. That means we will discuss about the questions and we will do exercise 3 and 4 from this chapter. So let's start our class. Now my dear students, exercise number 3. And what is the instruction? Complete these questions with the question words in the box. So before doing this exercise, we need to know about the question words. And what is the question words? Now look, there are some words we use to ask question, and these words are called question words. And there are various question words. Today we will know about some of them. And now look, when do we use the question words? Who, which, what, where, when, why and how. And now look, I want to know about that. That means if you want to know about a person, you will ask the question with who. An example is, who is that man? And if I want to know about the position or place of someone or something, we will ask the question with where. An example is, where are my shoes? And if you want to know about the time or moment or any occasion, and what will you use? We will ask question with when. An example, when do you go to school? That means you want to know about the time. And if you want to know about the reason or explanation or cause of something, you will ask question with why. An example, why was he late? That means you want to know the reason of his late. And then if you want to know about the specific thing or object, what will you use? Yes, all of you know it. We will ask question with what? That what time is it? That means you want to know the specific time. And then if you want to make a choice, or if you want to choose something, if there is any alternative, you will use which to ask the question. An example, which t-shirt should I choose? That means there are more than one t-shirt, so you need to choose from them. And if you want to know about the manner of someone or something, or the way or the form of something, you will ask the question with how. And example, how do you go to school? That means you want to know about the communication system. And now if you want to know about the quantity, you will ask question with how many. An example is, how many books are there? So these are the question words. We use these words to ask question. And what are they? Who, where, when, why, what, which, how many. And who is used for person, where is used for place or position, when is used for time or moment, and why used for reason or explanation or cause, and what is used for a specific thing or object, and which is used for a choice or alternative, and how is for manner, way or form, and how many is used for quantity. So if you want to know about these things, you will use this question. So now let's do the exercise. Now what is our question word? Who, which, what, where, when, why, how. Let's read the the sentences at first. Number 1, what is it? Dash is the school leader. That means you want to know about the person. So what will you use? If you want to know about the person, we use who. So there will be who. Who is the school leader. Now look number 2. Dash is the teacher so angry. So the teacher is so angry. So there should be a reason. So if you want to know the reason, what will you use? Yes, you are correct. We use why. So we will write here why. Why is the teacher so angry? And now number 3. Dash of these 3 girls is your sister. So now look, there are 3 girls and you need to choose one from them. So if we want to make a choice, what will we use? Yes, we use which. So there will be which of these 3 girls is your sister. Now number 4. Dash many pencils do you have? Now we want to know about the quantity. So what will you use to ask question? Yes, you are right. We will ask question with how many. So there's many is given here. So we will write here how. How many pencils do you have? Now number 5. Dash does she live? That means you want to know about the place. So what will you use, my dear students? Yes, we will ask question with where. Now number 6. Dash do you have in your bag? That means you want to know a specific thing. So my dear students, which question word will you use here? Yes, you are correct. We will use here what. What do you have in your bag? Number 7. Dash does your father work? That means you want to know about the time. So what will you use here? If you want to know about the time, yes, we will use here when. So when does your father work? Now the last one, number 8. Dash is your book. That means you want to know about the place of the book. So what will you use here? Yes, you are correct. We will use here where. Where is your book? And now look, we use where 2 times because there are 8 blanks and we have 7 question words. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That's why we use the question word where 2 times. And now let's check. Number 1, who is the school leader? Now look, we use this question word who. And now number 2, why is the teacher so angry? And we use this word also, why. Now number 3, which of these 3 girls is your sister? We also use with. And next, number 4, how many pencils do you have? We also use how. And now number 5, where does she live? And we use the question word where. Now number 6, what do you have in your bag? We use what also. And now number 7, when does your father work? We use the word also and we use where 2nd times in question number 8, where is your book? We use it 2 times. So my dear students, today we will know about the question words and we fill up these blanks using these 7 question words. And dear students, there is a homework for you. Exercise number 4 from lesson 16. You will do question 1 to 5. And now look, there's some question you will write the answer. And what is the first question? What is your name? And you will write your own name and number. Next one, how old are you? So you will, what will you write? I am 5 or 6 years old. And next one, where do you live? So what will you write there? I live in Bonusri or Badra or Rampura. So you will write the place where you live, and next one, when do you wake up in the morning? So you will write when you wake up at 7 o'clock or 6 o'clock or 8 o'clock. And the last question, who is your friend? So you will write the name of your friend, that the name of my friend is, you will write your name, okay, Meena or what could I say, or Raju or someone else. You will write the name of your friend. So dear students, that's all for today. Hope you have understood our today's topic, and all of you do your assigned homework in your SW copies, and it's very important because your SPA and city marks will be given on the basis of the submission of your homework copies. So all of you do your homework regularly and submit your homework on every Sunday within 8 am to 4 pm. And all of you practice a lot, abide by your parents. See you again. Allah Hafiz.